Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial on how you can fade in a video in Sony Vegas. First off, I'm gonna import my media. Just find a video which I have not faded in. Alright, so if we place this clip right here, as you can see, if we play the audio, I'm just gonna lower the volume a little bit.
What the hell?
It is not faded in, as you can see. Now what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna use my mouse scroll wheel, zoom in a bit, and you see these little blue pointers, right? You want to click on them and drag them. So if you're going from left to right, you want to well, obviously do it from left to right. And if you want to fade out a video, again, you need to look for this little pointer right here, and you need to just click on it, left click on it, and drag it to the left side. So now if I look at this video, it's gonna fade in.
What the?
As you can see the difference. If I remove it, no fade-in effect, and if I look at the end, it's gonna fade out. And if you want to make the audio fade out as well, again, you can repeat the same process, and now the audio is gonna fade out as well. You can also do this for a fade-in effect. So basically, if you go from left to right, it's a fade-in effect. If you go from right to left, it's a fade-out effect. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. Make sure you like and sub if it helped you out, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.